Yeah.
I'm gonna slow her down.
I accidentally turned yours off.
Okay.
But I started it back up. Mine's still going.
On the side, I can't see it.
I can! Turn left! Where'd it go?
Up trim.
Where is it? Oh.
I can't trim it up anymore.
Turn left. How are you gonna land?
I have no idea.
Oh God! Daddy!
Full throttle.
Where'd it go? Oh. Are you circling?
I did a roll. That's what you're
Where is it?
right there.
It's hard to see on the camera. Me neither. All I had was the camera.
Oh, I need to trim it up more. He's wanting to dive.
I turned mine off.
Okay. He's wobbly, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Wow. It's flying pretty good though, really.
Oh my gosh. Seriously, how are you gonna land?
I mean, I have to land in the weeds, I guess. I really don't know. Maybe there's weeds right in front of us. Whoa. If you take your eyes off of it, it just dives. Full throttle.
Oh gosh.
Oh, crap.
He lost something.
I got disoriented.